scrapping value of all of this. Oh, also I forgot there's the hard drive and the caddy, which you can probably sell for about $5 to $6. So let's get a scale over here. Turn it on. So for aluminum, we have the aluminum heat sinks here, which we're going to rip off right now. Yeah, these PS3s, they have some good scrap value. So this is going to be steel. We'll put it on the side for now. We'll weigh the steel value also. There's another heat sink. So we have about 12.6 ounces of aluminum. Currently on board sort, clean heat sinks are about 40 cents. So let's see. $12.6. So we have about 31 cents of aluminum. So, all the screws fell. That's fine. So peripheral boards, like I said, like I've always said in my videos, board sort, according to board sort, they're worth about $1.50 for peripherals, and they consider video game boards as peripheral boards. So we got this guy here, where we're at 14 ounces. It's at $1.50.